Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an update video. Your favorite store, Costco, located here on the corner of Wedgwood Lane and Buffalo Trail. This is an update of the construction. You can see they have people on the job site. They do have a backhoe is moving. They have heavy equipment in here. You can see they are leveling out this lot. For those new to the channel, welcome. My name is Tim. I do Villages related content. The Villages is a 55 plus community located here in Central Florida. And this is your Costco update. I know a lot of people can't wait for this store to open. And I wanted to give you a brief background of this store. This store is located a little bit north of County Road 466. It is located a little bit east of Oxford, Florida. Oxford, Florida is right beyond that yellow building over there, friends. County Road 466 is right over there. And that is Wedgwood Lane. Wedgwood Lane is running parallel with County Road 466. And the story goes is Costco announced last April that they were coming to the Villages. And they promised that they would break ground on October 7th. October 7th came around and they did not break ground. People were getting nervous. People thought that Costco was going to back out of the deal. But that's not the case. Costco started moving heavy equipment in here and they broke ground on December 30th. I think they wanted to say they broke ground in the year 2024 because they promised to break ground in October. On December 30th, they were putting the silt fence in. I'll walk the job site and show you. And I did several update videos on the job site, and this looks like it's going to be one of the entrances. If you look about 4 days ago, I did a video as well, and I did the video from the other side of the job site on Buffalo Trail. And this is going to be an entrance. Right there is a Hobby Lobby store that was built last year or the year before. And the good news is they continue to make progress on this store. I know some of my subscribers have done some research and they indicate that Costco will build a store usually in 6 months. So if that's the case, this store should open sometime in June. There's your Hobby Lobby store. Oxford, Florida is about a mile down the road that way. That is your fresh market store there, friends. So the store is going to be 162,000 square feet. It is going to be Costco wholesale. It's going to have 700 parking places. It's going to have a liquor store. And it's going to have a gas station. And it's going to bring a lot of traffic. We have a lot of people here that are afraid that Wedgwood Lane and these streets are going to be very, very busy. There are no traffic signals on these streets. So it'll be interesting to see how they manage the traffic. There's a lot of local residents that are worried about the traffic. This is an outlot. Costco does own this grassy patch, and for now they do not have plans to build on it. That is going to be your store right there, friends, and parking lot. And I'm walking ahead and you will see silt fences up there. I believe that is going to be where the gas station portion of Costco is going to be. That'll be on the corner of Wedgwood Lane and Buffalo Trail. What you see beyond the job site are luxury apartments. There are a lot of apartments and housing units being built around the perimeter of the villages. Here they pulled out fence posts. This was a vacant lot. I've been here 3 years, and this lot was vacant ever since I've been here. It looked like this. It was just a grassy patch of land. And now you can see excavation work going on. This store is going to be massive. This is a very large chunk of land. You do see the backhoe going back over there, friends. I will zoom in and show you what this looks like from a camera zoom point of view. That's your Hobby Lobby. That's Oxford, Florida over that way. That is west. This is east. There is a Dollar Tree store. That is a mall area. There's a PetSmart there. There's a Bell's department store there. There's a Marshall's store. All of this is accessible by golf cart. If you want to take your golf cart here, it will be accessible. In fact, I take my golf cart all the time to Bell's and to Marshall's store. Buffalo Trace Plaza, that is where the Publix grocery store is. That is the buildings right beyond the job site over there. Those are all accessible by golf cart as well. Fresh Market is there. That's accessible by golf cart. So I'm walking up to the portion of the job site that I believe is going to be the gas station portion of the job site. And you can see they are pushing a lot of dirt around. Fresh Market. This outlot is really large, by the way. So they could add on if they feel necessary. That is Wedgwood Lane, between here and the Fresh Market, Wedgwood Lane. This is where the gas station, I believe, is going to be. Let me know in the comments below if you plan on shopping at Costco. Costco is a wholesale store. You do need an annual membership to shop here. People are leaving comments that it's an awesome store. You get discount on gas. The products they sell are good quality. The services they offer are excellent. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Feel free to share this video with anybody that's interested in the Villages, Florida, or Costco. I would appreciate it. And I will leave you with one last panoramic view of the job site. They are moving dirt over there. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. Have a great day, everyone. Take care.